Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So as we already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is refine your prompt template for accurate agent replies. So once if you click on launch, let's search for flow and click on flows. So here we are gonna find out the flow called get celebration details. Let's find it out. If you scroll down, you will get the flow, which is right over here. Just click on it. We are just gonna activate that flow and click on activate. So once if it got activated, come back to the quick find. So here we are gonna search for prompt builder and click on it. So search for the prompt named pre-arrival guest, which is over here. Pre-arrival guest welcome. Just click on that prompt. So next to our first name, we are going to click on the plus symbol right over here next to insert results. So choose the flow followed by get celebration details, and now click on save as followed by save as new version, and we are gonna click on activate. So it got activated successfully. Now let's check the challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of our 3 challenges. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. And there is one more tip to this. So if you have seen, we have already activated the agent called pre-arrival guest welcome prompt template, so which we have done on our challenge too. So do check that if you didn't complete this step. So yeah guys, see you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.